Welcome to Chapter 2 of Learning Ember JS. In this chapter, we're going to talk about routing. Okay, what is it? Why is it important? We're going to discuss how Ember handles routing, how to create routes, and then link them to specific templates. We're going to talk about how to link routes from other routes using the link helper, and how to create layouts. And we'll also be implementing the Bootstrap framework onto an Ember application. Sections overview. This is the chapter intro. Section 2 will talk about kind of like an overview of routing and how it works. Section 3, I'll show you how we can create routes, create templates, and then link templates to specific routes. Section 4 I'll show you how to link from route to route and also how to implement a layout. Alright, so that's it. Let's go ahead and get started.